Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason from Eustace Roofing and Roof Talk, and we're on a job today. I wanted to get a video of this job because there's so many problematic areas on this job. Things that roofers might get wrong and cost you a lot in the future. So we're gonna point those out, those little details, those problematic areas that we've conquered so that you can get the longevity out of your roof that you deserve as a customer. So Richard is part of our leadership team. He manages all our project managers. He was in charge of this job also. He's gonna go through some of those details that make this job unique. And one of the things that me and him are both have the same ideas on is the culture of the business. Making sure that everybody is a part of a team so that we can get jobs like this where they look this awesome. They're not gonna have to worry about this roof anymore because we took care of those problematic areas. So Richard, kind of walk us through, show us all the things that we did to make this unique.
So here when we came here, this whole wall right here is all rotted. And you can see we put flashing in here, took care of this. We left our rubber right here. This is our cap sheet. We left a hangover so we could get the water out here like this. And that whole thing's all flashed in. We got a nice little kick out right here, kick it off the rock. We had to have it specially cut in all these rocks. And we have the people employed for us that actually can do that. You can take a look at this cap right here. We took our cap sheet, we run it all the way up the wall, put a new cap on here. We made that with our CNC machine and mounted it on there. You'll take a look at the chimney over here. As you can see, it's got rock on it. Very, very difficult to do flashing work on a rock chimney. Our guys come in, they cut it, put all new metal in there. They stepped it here. You can see nice work. You just don't see quality work like that very often. We'll walk around this side to the chimney. There was a real problem area right here. This windowsill has a piece of wood on there and the water blows back in here. We capped all this out with metal. We got a slope in here to get the water down out of there. We capped this out with metal. As you can see right there, we got a break coming off here, but just phenomenal work. We'll walk around the back here. You can see here's the back. All new metal into the rock. All new counter flashing cut in. Looks really nice. You just don't see. It takes an artist to do stuff like that. We'll come around this side. Same thing. This corner right here. This corner actually set back in. And when the water came down here, the water just set here in this corner. And it rotted the wood out in here. As you can see now, he took the metal and he actually built it at a slight 45 so the water can come out of there instead of staying in there. But there's some of the other flashing. I mean, just beautiful work. Got a nice kick out right here. And that water comes off here, it kicks it out, gets it off away from this rock, so we don't have no problems with that. That's a wrap.